In the last decade, technology has moved far beyond being a simple tool. Today, it has become an active worker, a decision maker, and in many cases, a replacement for human labor. Companies like Google and Tesla are leading this revolution with cutting-edge robotics and artificial intelligence. Their robots are performing tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately than humans ever could. This transformation is quietly happening across factories, offices, hospitals, and service sectors, changing the way work is done and reshaping the global workforce. Google's latest AI robots are designed to handle tasks that were once considered purely human, from automated warehouses to advanced service robots. Google is using machine learning, computer vision, and intelligent automation to streamline operations. These robots can sort, package, and transport goods efficiently, reducing errors and speeding up processes. Beyond warehouses, Google's AI is being integrated into software and customer service systems, where intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously, replacing repetitive human roles. Tesla, under the guidance of Elon Musk, has also made remarkable strides in robotic technology. Tesla's Optimus robot is built to perform repetitive, dangerous, and monotonous tasks that humans used to do. Inside Tesla's gigafactories, automated robotic assembly lines now handle the majority of production processes. These robots work silently, precisely, and tirelessly, without needing breaks or salaries. Over 70% of manufacturing tasks that previously required humans are now managed by robots, increasing efficiency and reducing the risks of workplace injuries. The implications of this shift are enormous. Jobs that involve repetitive manual labor, simple decision-making, or dangerous conditions are most at risk. From factory workers and delivery personnel to administrative assistants, many roles are being gradually automated. AI robots do not experience fatigue, do not demand wages, and can operate 24/7. Companies are investing in these systems not only to reduce costs, but also to maintain high-quality output and meet the growing demands of global markets. However, this does not mean all jobs will disappear. While routine tasks are being automated, new opportunities are emerging in technology management, AI programming, robot maintenance, and system design. The future workforce will require skills in programming, problem-solving, and creative thinking areas where humans still outperform machines. Students and young professionals must adapt to this change, learning how to work alongside AI rather than compete against it. Understanding robotics, AI applications, and data analysis will become critical for staying relevant in the job market. AI robots are also transforming service industries. In hospitals, robots assist surgeons with precise operations, deliver medications, and monitor patient health. In logistics, self-driving delivery bots and automated drones are streamlining the transport of goods. Even in customer-facing roles, AI-powered systems handle inquiries, recommend solutions, and personalize user experiences at scale. These advancements are redefining efficiency standards and the very nature of work. Google and Tesla are continuously pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Their innovations are not limited to physical labor. AI algorithms can now make strategic business decisions, optimize supply chains, and predict market trends with a level of accuracy far beyond human capabilities. As these systems improve, the line between human intelligence and machine intelligence will continue to blur. This is the dawn of a new era where AI is not just a tool but an active participant in the workforce. While there is excitement about the potential of AI, it also raises important questions about employment, ethics, and social responsibility. Governments and educational institutions will need to prepare the next generation for an AI-driven world. Policies must ensure fair access to technology, reskilling programs, and support for workers displaced by automation. The goal should be to create a balanced ecosystem where humans and robots collaborate to achieve higher productivity and innovation. For students and young professionals, the message is clear: embrace technology, understand AI, and develop skills that machines cannot easily replicate. Learning to code, understanding robotics, and gaining experience in AI systems will provide a significant advantage. Those who adapt will thrive in a workforce increasingly influenced by automation, while those who resist may find their roles diminishing over time. The rise of Google and Tesla robots is not just a technological story, it is a story of transformation. It is about redefining what work means, how businesses operate, and how humans interact with machines. The future of the workforce is here, and it is intelligent, efficient, and largely automated. By preparing today, the young professionals of tomorrow can ensure they are not replaced by machines but empowered by them. The era of AI is rapidly approaching, and the changes it brings will impact every industry. Students between 18 and 34 must stay informed, stay adaptable, and focus on developing skills that complement AI technology. By doing so, they can navigate the changing landscape of work and become part of a future where humans and robots collaborate rather than compete. If you found this video insightful and want to stay updated on the latest AI and robotics trends, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.